We have been lucky to have two workshops held at our school, one for the ladies and one for the fellows. We were encouraged to think about how we can help others, both here and back home. Maybe as a carer in a full-time job.
Hi, my name is Cassandra Yevdanievich.
Hi, I'm Pauline Montgomery. I'm one of the facilitators here today.
G'day folks, Paul McKenzie here from NDS, National Disability Services in Darwin. Today we're down at Yirara College in Alice Springs, and we've came down here to spread the message of considering working in the disability employment.
I'm here to talk about myself, about what it's like to live with a disability and what it's like to be a part of the wider community. At the age of 22, I found out I was going blind from a disease called retinitis pigmentosa. At that time, it was very difficult for me because there wasn't a whole lot of support out in the wider community with organisations. I had to go and learn myself. I had to create my whole life over again. I like to be a big part of the wider community, to teach other people about what it's like to live with someone with a disability or to be a person with a disability. This is very passionate for me to be able to come to the college today to talk about myself and my journey and how we can teach our children on becoming a part of the disability sector.
So there's lots of disabilities out there, and what our workshop today is about is trying to just make you guys aware that there's disabled people that live in our community. There's lots and lots of job and support that's required around it. So we're going to talk about the growing workforce, a culture around how we deliver those services and how you can work for different cultures.
Idea of being a carer in their community. People have misconceptions about what a carer is. It's not all just sitting around watching somebody indoors. There's many other opportunities they've got.
We're from a version of Project Able, which is a national program, and we're a branch in the NT, Northern Territory, of Pupils Industry Pathway.
Reese.
Reese?
Yeah.
You look like Reese.
Anthony.
Anthony?
Yeah. Azar.
Azar?
Jesse.
Jesse?
Jesse.
Jesse.
Jesse. Reese. Carl.
Carl?
Alec.
Alec?
Tyrus.
Carl?
Tyrus.
Tara.
Tyrus.
Wow. They love names. Well, all nice to meet you. These programs can get out to communities, they can change communities, they can empower communities to run their own programs and supports regarding disability sector. When the students left here today after talking to them for 4 or 5 hours, some of them gave me hugs, some of them told me I've inspired them, changed their lives. The real thing here is, for me, is I've been in this wheelchair for 22 years, and these guys are 16, 17, 18 years of age. Hopefully, I can come back here to Alice Springs in 2 or 3, 4 years' time and see some of these guys that I worked with working for their communities, working in the sector, working for disabled people. We need you. If we don't get these kids in working and helping us, it's a very long, hard road for us. I found that the students were very, very approachable, and they gave me something from the heart. When leaving, 1 or 2 of the students came and gave me a hug, said that I'd been inspirational to help what they wanted to achieve in life, and they've assured me that they're certainly going to be thinking of working in the disability industry. Could get to the stage where down the track in another few years, 1 or 2 or 3 of these guys might be working for me, which would be fantastic. because I loved every one of them. Thank you.
Thank you.